Welcome back, and thank you so much for staying with us. The Prime Minister has conceded that there were avoidable delays in replacing the collapsed Troy Bridge, which connects the parishes of Trelawny and Manchester. Our reporter Krista Campbell has been following that story and now reports.
$231 million to get from buckets and boards to a brand new bridge in Troy on the border of Manchester and Trelawny. But at Friday's official opening, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness conceded that bureaucratic red tapes caused the construction to take longer than residents especially wanted.
The requirements that is imposed upon the infrastructure projects sometimes cost more than the actual infrastructure construction. Don't make sense. The time it takes to do study on top of study on top of study sometimes take longer than the actual construction work itself. It would have cost us at least 30% less if we had built this bridge 4 years ago.
And so he stressed that reform is necessary to allow critical and major infrastructural projects to get done faster. He says that's why the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NARA bill was developed and recently passed in Parliament.
What took a year to build in 1896 has taken almost 5 years to rebuild in 2026. A tropical storm brought the 125-year-old Troy Bridge to its knees in 2021, and the cut of a ribbon signaled the dawn of a new era for the structure now standing in its place.
When a bridge remains closed for years, there is a cost. When a farmer must travel farther to market, there is a cost. When a student spends additional hours commuting, there is a cost. When a business incurs higher transportation expenses, it costs you. When an ambulance or emergency vehicle faces delay, there could be a cost. It could be your life.
And there have been several near misses and accidents as residents, including children, risked their lives to cross from one side of the collapsed bridge to the other. Minister responsible for roadworks, Robert Morgan, has stressed the new bridge is built to last.
When we signed the contract, we had Beryl. When we started building, we had Raphael. And just as we finished building the bridge, it was tested by Melissa. Prime Minister, the two sides of the bridge were washed out, but the bridge, like a pillar of excellence, stood in the middle of the river, could not be moved.
We'll hear from relieved residents tomorrow in Primetime News.
Reporting from the Troy Bridge here on the Manchester-Trelawny border, I'm Krista Campbell for TVJ News.